Okay, another thing that you can do is also to customize a character that is already in here. So you'll notice that when you pick somebody, like if you pick Twisty, you can also, right underneath the person, so you have this person, this is the one I'm talking about, there's a little paintbrush. So if I tap the paintbrush, I can customize this person. So I can pick some different colors for the clothes that this person is already wearing. Tap, tap. So you can change a few things like that, especially if you think it's important that your character is wearing a pink shirt, or you think it's important that your character have a different color skin tone or different color hair. That's fine, you can change that. Okay, you can also do something really neat. At the very bottom, it looks like a camera with a smiley face in it. So if you tap the camera with the smiley face in it, you can put in your own picture. So check it out. I can put my face right in the center of this. Oh, I kind of missed it. I'm going to press the back arrow on the left, and I'm going to try again. Get my better right here. Right there. Okay, we'll call that good. I'll tap the blue arrow, blue circle, white check mark. Awesome. Look at that. It looks so good. I'll tap the blue check mark circle. Name this character. Herman. 2. Done. And I press the arrow going to the right. Fabulous. There I am. There's the one I drew, the one that I edited from the other person. So those are some options for you to create characters.